Hello again, everybody. Tom Wilsabin coming to you from NATP, the National Association of Tax Professionals, with a timely tidbit during this filing season. You might be surprised that you would expect that I'd be talking about intake on the new One Big Beautiful Bill deductions or some guidance the IRS has provided, but rather I want to talk about refunds, and that being the mandate that came from President Trump's executive order a year ago in March to Treasury to stop issuing paper checks or to receive paper checks for payment. So what we're finding this year is that based on IRS statistics, over 830,000 taxpayers have been informed that they didn't provide direct deposit information on their return when it was submitted, and now the IRS is asking them, what do you want to do? So the disappointment we're seeing is that taxpayers are expecting that there's going to be a check in their mailbox, but instead it's a letter from the IRS saying, what do you want to do? Do you want to use a bank account and go to a web location at irs.gov? Or if you want to wait for a paper check, it's going to be an additional 6 to 12 weeks. So the mandate says let's use direct deposit. It's easy to do. The information can be provided right on a return, whether it happens to be electronically filed or paper filed. There are places to enter the routing number and account number. Check your return very carefully. Make sure there aren't other reasons that could delay the processing of that return, and let's have the tax season turn into a rewarding experience rather than a frustrating one.